We are live.
To go is going to be for
This looks good. All right, I'm live on YouTube. I don't know if you guys can hear me or see me. This looks like a really good long. Holy. I know it's before NFP, but it's probably gonna print. Yeah, there it is. Break even trade immediately. Yeah, I'm in first for my competition again.
Good.
Yeah, I'm hosting my trading competition. I'm back in first.
Oh, so you have a training competition or someone else does?
No, I'm hosting. It's like my own, and I'm hosting it through the site.
You were in fifth last time.
Yeah, but I'm in first.
But is it your own?
Yeah, it's my own. That's why it's funny. Like, I'm not supposed to be in first in my own competition. All right. All right. I can see you guys. I'm trying to pull up my chat here. Somehow. I've been live in a while on YouTube. What do you think sunrise is? Dude, sunrise should be pretty beautiful. Dude, when I went live from Alaska, I had to wake up like even earlier than this. Like 4. Or maybe it was 5, but alright guys, give me 1 second. I'm trying to find my chat. YouTube live control panel. Oh, I see. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're good. Do I have statistics for full porting NFP? No, I'm pretty confident in full porting CPI long, but for NFP, no, I don't. Is my mic good, guys? My mic's turned up. There shouldn't be anything wrong with my mic. What are those executions on top? So shit, dude, I don't know. Someone said those in my comments. My sound is low. All right, I'll do. Um.
It said plug ride on Dodgy Stream.
You said what?
Plug ride on Dodgy Stream.
Yeah. All right, well, my sound's gonna be low because it's going to the red. So if I turn up any more, then it's gonna be really bad. Hello, testing, testing. Yeah, this is like literally max volume, bro. It's probably just because I just woke up and I'm talking quiet. Bro, you got Div sending me pictures now of me.
Dave knows everything that you're doing.
For real.
Dave did make a good song post.
Yeah, I'll post it probably in a little bit. Headed for the open door. Alright, guys, I have to get the link to this stream. Everyone make sure to like the video or like the stream. Yeah, I'm gonna give it the tutorial in a second. I'm just posting. I'm live. What's my opinion on people full port their account of news? I think it's a great way to get easy evals. Yeah, I'll be live in Discord at 9.
Like they're saying you look black in the stream, like can't see you.
Yeah, I know, I know. I just turned my light on a little bit. Right now it's 5 a.m. for me. I'm gonna use the clicker thing you used.
Rick, why don't you
All right, there we
trade
go.
next?
Oh, dude, what a beautiful. Guys, I'm really debating. So in this tenacity competition, I'm now first place. I'm really debating on full porting NFP and like securing a spot. Should I just do it? What happened? I used this back in 6th place. He like lost. All right, we're gonna talk. We're gonna answer some questions now. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I might full port. What? If only. Yo, what's up, Jake? Long or short? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Hello. Best way to treat an eval and pass it quick. You do what I'm about to show you here. By the way, if you guys want to join this competition, just go to tenacity.co, like here. Tenacity.co. Nope. Just type in tenacity trading, and then you can join the competition by clicking go trade, and then you should end up seeing it somewhere. So, all right, so we're gonna be doing the full port method, guys. For anyone new here, we have new. It's a too late to enter competition. No, you can enter now. Yeah, you can enter now if you want. So what we're gonna be doing is the buy and sell stop method. Sometimes I like to check the volatility before. So the volatility right now in the last 2 hours is 82 points, which honestly is not that volatile. That's pretty not volatile. So I feel like the sell stop and buy stop method has like a good shot of working. But we'll see. We'll see. But what you want to do is you want to go on 3 different accounts. Well, it depends, because if I do this in Apex, but it depends on what you want to do. On Apex, you buy on one, you short on the other, then you do buy and sell stop on the third. But if you want to just do the sell stop thing, you could do that. But basically, if you need like $3,000 to is news trading, can you, yeah, you can full port on if you buy an account now on Tenacity, this competition and full port on FP, it'll work. Yeah, so well, no, I don't know. As a beginner, I don't think this is smart. I think you should pass an eval first, like first by yourself. But for someone who's gotten payouts before, I think this is smart. So So if we need 3,000. Testing, testing. All right, about how many points do we need to pass, guys? Sorry, my mic just muted. Hello, hello. I'm not muted. If we need $3,000 to pass an account, okay, 4 minis times 20 equals about $80 per point. How many about points would we need to pass an account? 37.5. Okay. So 37.5. So what we want to do is maybe buy 4 minis here, sell 4 minis here, and then we'll just do this. Boom. I'll do this just to be safe. So I'd probably round up a little bit just for commissions, yeah. If we use this method, we will lose one in one of the firm accounts. I mean, yeah, technically, it's not guaranteed. I like this better for CPI because CPI usually just goes up, but NFP sometimes is whatever. So we'll see. I did stop loss with the sell stop. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, this is how you do it. You have to place a stop loss, guys. That's how you get in. Check my sell. What about it? Ayusha's not at first anymore. Your boys in Vegas too. Nice. I think I'm for everyone in Vegas. I think I'm gonna do Top Golf meetup. Sunday night. Why not TP? Because if you want to get in a fast candle, you have to get filled in the stop losses. So, please give a quick tutorial on how to trade NFP. I'm telling you, this is what you do. But after we're gonna wait. Did I gamble yet? No. Bro, I've done this tons of times, bro. You place a sell stop. I've been doing this for 7 years. Don't tell me how to trade. Just you can literally do you can do either, guys. Like you can do TP or you can do this. You guys don't know how orders work. It doesn't matter. Can we just long? I'm probably just low-key gonna long in the tenacity account and see if I can yeah. Let's see. Limit orders? No, I don't do limit orders. Always market. Yo, James, do you think you can get like a quick video clipping real quick? Yeah. I'm gonna turn the lamp off though. Okay. Kind of like yesterday, but like alrighty. Don't like Yeah, don't stand up on the couch or anything. Just kind of like yesterday where you see the thing in the background. Whoever wants full port. Yeah, if you guys want a full port accounts on Tenacity, maybe beat me in the competition, you have to do it. Can I show you step by step? Okay, so basically we need to figure out how much money we need to pass an account. All right, like this. Okay, so most firms are max 4 minis. So 4 minis times $20 point equals 80. So we take 4 minis, we need about 40 points to pass. So we're gonna place a buy stop randomly here, and then a sell stop randomly here. Okay. And then we're gonna place TPs about 45-ish points away. So, and sometimes when you guys won't be able to place TP here, just do plus and then sell limit, or plus buy limit here. It doesn't really matter how you do it. See? Because market orders are going to get you in the quickest. Right, so market order gets you in the quickest. So, yeah, what's up next? How's it going? Does Apex allow this on PA? No, do not do this on a PA account on Apex. Absolutely not, dude. And then like 2 pictures if you want. Do not do this on Apex PA. You can do this on a topstep XFA, but probably not recommended. So, how many points away should entries be? No, Apex only allows news trade. Well, do not do it on the funded accounts, guys. Please, please do not do it. Can I explain that? Yeah, good thing you asked, dude. Some people do it on the funded. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Dude, the thing about full porting NFP for this Tenacity account is like, dude, I'm literally in first place. Why? Like, there's no point. I'm already in first. Because for a competition, I gotta let the other people play their cards first. Alright. That's so far. Yeah, it's so far. Is the G7X around? Oh, here, let's see if you can go on this real quick. This might look sick. Just like one. Yeah. Yeah, dude. How's it look? Alright. Can I explain my step-by-step model for continuation trades? I will after NFP. We have 5 minutes. Alright. How do I put a sell stop there? You're getting order rejected. I mean, what firm are you on? Maybe you try 3 minis or 2 minis. So. Thanks. Oh. In your method, can it go both buy stop and sell stop? I mean, I hope it goes up, but nice long or short instead of after seeing price. You can, but I would not do that. Can I explain why it's not? You can do it on XFA, guys. Like this is gamify. Like this is literally gamifying prop firms. Like if you guys have gotten payouts, this is fine to do in XFAs, but always expect to blow them, right? Dude, this is so sick. Holy. That's so cool. So. Thanks, bro. I'm gonna call Jared real quick. I'm in Vegas right now.
What's good, bro?
Yo, can I like I think I'm gonna full port NFP on these accounts. Do you know if this if I place a stop loss on the news, will it fill me perfectly?
I mean, if you liquidate the account, you'll just get like the account will just be blown.
No, like I mean if I place a sell stop. Do you know what I'm saying?
Well, what do you like say? Like if you say you place a sell stop.
Like,
yeah.
When the news candle hits, will I get filled pretty good?
Yeah. I mean, there can be some slippage, but like
But not that much, right? Because it's a
No, it's pretty good. We try to have like pretty solid fills, but it's also demo. But like DXV, it's not fucked like Tradeify.
all right, bet. I'm gonna do the sell stop method then. I was gonna just
Dude, if you blow, whatever happens, we'll just get you another one for next week so you can like keep competing.
okay. All right,
What are you
bet.
doing otherwise?
I'm in first.
And yo, fuck. All right, we shouldn't be first.
I know I shouldn't be first. How am I beating everyone?
It's okay. Just do it. Just do your thing, and then we'll figure it out by.
I'm saying, like, should you not be first?
Yeah, I shouldn't be first in my own competition, dude. Dude, it's not rigged. Like I'm not trying to be first. I just am. Like Jared's trying to get people to beat me. That's the whole point of competition, but no one can beat me. But bro, he's not giving me anything. He doesn't want me to be first, guys. Like he's literally saying he was literally mad because I'm in first place. What do y'all not understand? All right, let's see what happens here, guys. I'm gonna do the buy and sell stop method on my tenacity here. $20 seconds. And I just didn't get filled. Oh, there we go. All right, so it should have worked. I think, right? Let's go. So I only made $200 profit. Damn. I got up basically the top 740. You know, I could have gotten out better fill, but so yeah, I only made $240 on that, guys. Unfortunately. So I guess I'm green, but see if anyone else did. Yeah, I'm still on first. So it should have worked for the buy stop, guys. You can see if you would have gotten filled, and then yeah, hopefully you would have passed. But it basically gave the 40 points pretty quick. You accidentally made 4,600. Nice. Yeah, if you just longed, you would have printed. Usually, like you can long on these, and you will print, but hey, man, money's money. Let's check the competition leaderboard now. Let's see if anyone else full ported this. Hey, I'm still in first. I wonder if anyone else is full ported. I guess I can't tell. How does it work when you create a data wick at 829? I don't know. Yeah, you just long. Nice. Yeah, I literally just my buy stop got filled pretty quick, and then it just filled me. I used wait, dude, I used is like I don't know what happened to I used, bro. Dude, I used just full boarded that. Wait, I used just lost. wait, what? Well, wait, I used just went down. No way. I used literally just went down, guys. He's at 1,000 now. Wait. No, that's hilarious. That's so funny. Poor Ayush. Ayush cooked. Now, what do we just leave, guys? I'll be live in Discord at 9. All right, so guys, would we just leave? Yeah, we just left a data wick here, and technically, we left a data low here too. So we have some liquidity to play with. How did I know it went up? Because I did the sell stop and buy stop method. So ideally, if you guys don't know what this means, basically the data high and data low would be very strong draws on liquidity. So we're just gonna wait till they hit. How to participate in what? The task competition? You have to click my pin thing. So why would that be data even though it's okay? Can someone tell me why it would still be data even though it's technically 829? Can someone tell me why? Where the hell am I throwing to? Why does Bro have deep charts? I have deep charts because I like to sometimes look at order flow to like see when it's gonna be wrong. Yeah, exactly. The normal wick. But it's not only the abnormal wick. What happened in this wick in live time? Like in live time, did you guys see like how much it moved? Right? Deep chart winner. Yeah, I've been using order flow for like 4 or 5 years. I usually fade order flow, so I see when order flow gets wrecked, and that's like I don't need order flow to make money basically. I haven't even opened deep charts in probably over 2 weeks, so. Sometimes it's just funny to watch deep charts and know, like if I know where buy side or sell side is based off ICT, I just watch people get wrecked in order flow, which is funny. Yeah, so it was a fast wick in live time. So this was a very fast wick in live time. Okay. That's why I would still consider this a data wick, and it was like right before the news. What probably happened before, like 15 seconds before the news, guys? I get my Reddit from heightresearchdivision.com. You can use code Dodgy if you want for a discount. So, yeah, it was like the wick size. Yeah, exactly. But what do you think happened? Yeah. So what happened is the data probably got leaked. So it probably got leaked like 15 seconds before some insider got in. That's what caused this big candle 829. So based on knowing that information, what we saw in live time, could we still technically consider this a data candle? Yes. So, am I looking for longs today? Probably, yeah. First time joining the live after some months on Instagram. Got my first payout due to learning from your reels. Thank you. I appreciate that. We left data high and equal high. I mean, it doesn't matter. We still technically have a. Wait, did we? No, we didn't. What's my opinion on the GXT model? I don't know what that is. Oh, ESN equal highs. Nice. Sure. To be honest, I'm not bearish today, guys. I feel like if we inverse this to the left, we'll just pump. Are we seeing continuation or reversal? I think we're going to see continuation today. Lambo rules and calls, so those are going to print. You copy trade and Tradeify and Apex. Tradeify hit. Both played the same position. Apex didn't fill you in. Yeah, it's really hit or miss. Sometimes it won't fill you in. So. Would I log with that a low below? To be honest, today, yeah, I would. Because this looks like it's more protected. But is it smart to long up here? Or should we probably just wait? Yeah, I'm going to say live for market open. I'm going to go live on my Discord, though, where it's going to be no delay. You generally change my whole family. Love you, man. Hey, appreciate that, bro. Yeah, we're just gonna wait because we're way too high right now, so not really much we can do. Dude, Ayush, guys, look at this. Look at this. Ayush was at 2,300. All right, he was at 2,300 before the NFP. All right, now we check Ayush. Let's see. Now we check Ayush, and Ayush is at. Bro, he's at negative 238. What is he doing? What is he doing? No, Ayush. You're revenge trading. Stop. Bro, what is he doing? This guy's at 283. No. He's revenge trading, dude. Dude, he was just at $1,000 profit. Oh my god, dude. Dude, that's crazy. Poor Ayush. CPI, same method? Yeah, pretty much same method for CPI. Oh, this is gonna be such a beautiful sunrise, guys. I don't even know where the sun comes up. I don't know if it's behind me or not. Because there wasn't sunset behind me. Yo, James. What are you doing? Wait, what do you mean? No, I'm just asking what you're doing. Why the hell are you on my side of the bed with your bare feet? Yeah.
You didn't sleep on the side?
No. I don't care, it's fine. Sun is starting to come up. Yeah, it should become pretty beautiful here. Well, I usually do too, but the charger's there.
There's 2 chargers, bro. There's another charger over there too.
Oh, I didn't see that.
You should show your chat, your blanket, you know, blanket, bro.
Dude, they already know my blanket. It's probably some Instagram post. I guess I don't really need to trade the tenacity accounts right now because I'm in first. Get you into a losing trade. I would probably long here if you want to lose. We're gonna retrade probably at some point. I'm at the Encore. Shorts right now? No. This is one of those times where like I am not interested in any trade whatsoever here, literally at all, guys. I'm not interested in anything. This looks, I mean, this is just going up. We have no liquidity. Like, this is where you're just gonna wait. What's that? So I go live every single day on Discord, but I'm behind a paywall, so I like to keep it professional. So, yeah. Do you think I can keep learning from you and take that trade in the next 6 months and get your first payout? Yeah, for sure. Dude, I went live on TikTok the other day. I invited like 5 random people up, and they all had tens of thousands of dollars of payouts. What's my bias? I am bullish because of hourly IVD to left. I'm bullish.
Behind me are the most.
So I'm bullish, guys, because it looks like we're just pumping over this. So I think buy side is going to be here today. Nah.
So yesterday I used his first place in my competition, right? He's ahead of me by 1.5. Behind me are the most.
Do I not use previous to okay? I look at the market in terms of liquidity and ICT. So this buy side is the Wednesday high. I'm not going out of my way to be like, oh, where's previous day high? I'm looking for where the highest obvious point of liquidity is. And this just happens to be it. Whether it's a London high, whether it's a high day, this just happens to be it. Does it make sense why I have this marked and not anything else? Also remember, it's relative equal highs too. Type 1 if that makes sense. You found me recently? Thanks, bro. I appreciate that. What is behind me? The city of Las Vegas, which the sunrise kind of sucks, but it's still cool, I guess. Let me get a video of this real quick. Alright, we're back. Yeah, Vegas hotels don't have balconies, we're very right. Honestly, I might just rip calls it open, guys. Yeah, I mean, dude, the 4 hours just being ripped through. This looks so bullish, dude. I'm probably just gonna rip calls it open on trading. Or on options. Yeah, I agree, because we don't really have any orders down to go to. We only have orders to the upside. So, we'll see. We're on long? No, I'm not on long here. I'll be waiting for an entry. I'm gonna go live on my Discord in 8 minutes. Love your background. Thanks, man. Alright, I have to do a classic Knights attack, guys. Give me 1 second. Give me un momento. Alright, we're good. Sorry, I was doing a clan war league attack and champs won. Y'all gotta know how sweaty that is. Okay. Dude, there's literally nothing to do here, guys. I mean, I literally can't do anything. You can target 50% unmitigated 1 hour gap? Yeah, maybe. And at this point, maybe 15-minute fair value gap retracement. You know? We'll see, we'll see. Be like that. Did I triple? Yeah, I did. It's like scary, bro, attacking a champs 1 because our whole clan goes perfect every war. So if you're the one guy that messes up, it's not good. We should win this one, honestly, though. No, I'm not targeting data lows. I'm I'm not really targeting data lows because of the bias, guys. Like, the bias just looks so bullish here. Like, we literally have relative equal highs. Wait, Titan 3 is modifiers, Tommy? I didn't even know that. What are the modifiers? No, I'm not looking for a data low setup. I'm bullish here. We have daily relative equal highs. I mean, it makes no sense to be bearish here. Oh, Legend 2 mods. I don't even know that. So wait, what does Legend mods have? Is that like on hard mode? I didn't even know that. Isn't the data low protected? Yeah. I don't care about the data low right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go in live in Discord in a second. Legend Lake CO1. Oh, it has Legend 1 modifiers. Damn. That's great. Tommy, do you know if when I supercharge something, no matter what I supercharge, am I still getting the same ores in like the fancy shop, the Sparky ores? I get 10 for, so if I do like an elixir collector and an expo, I get the same number, right? Okay, then I gotta stop. I gotta upgrade more of the cheaper ones then. What am I playing? I'm playing some jazz music, bro. Duh. I can upgrade more of the cheaper ones then. What am I playing? I'm playing some jazz music, bro. Alright, I wanna lie for anything now. Jazz or blues? I kind of like the blues better, but. Jazz or blues? Yeah, what's up, P-Money? Have you ever thought about training an AI to trade for me? Something like Claude? Yeah, I thought about it. It's just not easy, dude. Then I want to see the 2 and 4 hour inverse to be bullish. I mean, technically, yeah, but like, you gotta realize, dude, we're coming off a gap right here, all right? Like, you guys have got to realize we're coming off of a gap right here, okay? Then I want to see the 2 and 4 hour. I don't know, just bullish. I mean, looks bullish. Yeah, but like, you gotta realize, dude, we're coming off a gap right here. Because we moved from IRL, which here would be the IRL, to ERL, which would be up here. How much Discord? Discord's $100 a month. You missed a 30-second short, bro. If you're shorting right now, you're cooked. Discord's $100. Like this 30-second short. What 30-second short? It's terrible. literally
Bro,
terrible.
You're shorting right now.
Like this 30-second short. What 30-second short? It's terrible. Oh, sorry. Wait, is that better? Is this still echoing or no? Yeah, I go live every day in Discord. Yeah, there is a free trial too. How can I go to your Discord? You have to join this invite link. I'll send it. Yeah, I go live every day in Discord. Yeah, there is a free trial too. How can I go to your Discord? You have to join this invite link. I'll send it. Here's the invite link. I have a tiny echo. Do I have an echo, guys? How's Vegas? Vegas is fire. If we do not hit these relative equal highs today, guys, I will literally quit trading. Like, please run this for a value gap, run these equal highs, market. Please just make this easy on us. There's no reason not to go there. Like, if these highs are not ran, I will literally chop my. If we do not hit these relative equal highs today, guys, I will literally quit trading. Like, please run this for a value gap, run these equal highs, market. Please just make this easy on us. There's no reason not to go there. Like, if these highs are not ran, I will literally chop my. Dude, why is it echoing? Alright, well, no music. We're not going to do music today because it's echoing. I don't know what's going on. Oh, wasn't it an echo? Oh, it was just me looking at the video recorder. Okay. That's weird. Dude, these guys are slow. Why are... Dude, I already know half y'all are signal bots. Year vlog was for yeah. How do you guys like my year vlog? It wasn't like me doing a bunch of rich stuff, but just me doing whatever I felt like. IRL's internal range liquidity, ERL's external range liquidity. Yeah, you were in it, Victor. Year vlog was for yeah. How do you guys like my year vlog? It wasn't like me doing a bunch of rich stuff, but just me doing whatever I felt like. IRL's internal range liquidity, ERL's external range liquidity. Yeah, you were in it, Victor. Still echoing? It shouldn't be echoing, dude. Someone goes $100 a month. Jeez, if you make all this money from trading, be honest, bro. Why do you need our money? LMAO. Bro, if I did a free live stream, first of all, which I used to do, I have people spamming the N-word. Thousands of people in my stream trying to no idea what they're doing. So that's one reason. Two, I can make 200, 300K a month instead of 100K a month. Four, $100 is cheap. A lot of Discords are actually more expensive than mine. Like, holy. This guy's slow. I don't work with broke people, bro. If you learn from my videos for free and you have your own money, that's fine. Do I care about the data load? No, not right now. Good question. The reason I don't care about... Why is the reason I don't care about the data load that much right now, guys? Yeah, I have at John. You have to go to my wap.com/DodgysDungeon. Dodgys-Dungeon. Because the data low, like the data low is totally protected here, and it's just not. I don't know. It's not built up that much. So I don't really care. Even if we hit this, I don't care much. PO3 is good. Hope the shorts work and then final long and the is the play today. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Why are people saying it's echoing? Yo, by the way, if you have not left a like in the stream and subscribed, please make sure to do so. I'm 24 years old. I probably have some of the best analysis and out of every live streamer. I'm not joking, by the way. People can vouch. And yeah, we do this every day live in Discord. So I want to say you'll know my name soon, but everyone already knows my name. If you don't, you live under a rock. And that's kind of cringe. 15 to 20 second echo is not the same thing as a lag. I'm live in Discord and there's no lag in Discord. There's no echo, y'all. You guys just bought evals instead of headphones. That's why I think there's an echo. You wasted all your money on evals and now you have Turtle Beach headphones and they're echoing. Yeah, so right now, guys, I'm actually making a site on Google that's going to just have a bunch of A+ setups. So the link is right here. It's called ifgsetups.com. So ifgsetups.com is my little library of trades. So it's called ifgsetups.com. Oh, it is echoing. You guys are right. Wait. You guys were actually right. It was echoing. It's because I had my stream open on another tab. Whoopsies. I turned it off. What about the failed ones? I'm not going to do failed ones because failed ones always have a reason for failing or they just look horrible. I want to show you guys like really textbook setups. But yeah, London, like this is all going to be organized. London trades are going to be Asia trades, A+ trades, ones with liquidity sweeps. I mean, this doesn't even have a liquidity sweep, but this one does. But yeah, it's still in the process. Dude, $100 a month, and there is 1,605 people in it. You literally cap 160K a month. That's crazy. I mean, props to you, dog. So about 800 of those people are like lifetime members, or they're paying $15 a month from when I used to do this. I would only say about 400 people are paying that. And then it would be, there's people paying $30 from a giant sale I did. I mean, it all depends. My indicator's fired, thanks. If I was making 160K a month just from Discord subscriptions, I probably would not be live streaming right now. That would be insane. But yeah, I think from WAP I make like 65K a month. About 65K a month. I'm pretty transparent about it. What happened to Ayush? Dude, I don't know. Ayush just like got wrecked. When is the next sale gonna be? I don't know. Guys, I do not like this reaction. Holy. Is the daily bias bearish? No, not even close. Yeah, PJ makes like probably 130 or 140K a month off his Discord. He's doing numbers, bro. But he also has like, he's also older than me, so he's like an older demographic, so it's easier for him. No, the indicator isn't included. But yeah, PJ's making bank, dude. Oh, there is a sunset. That's beautiful. Wait, that is absolutely beautiful. I need to take a video of this. Or sunrise. Sorry. Guys, I'm an idiot. Oh, wait.
Yo guys, I'm here to promote my Instagram. Go check out my latest video. Gives you a sneak peek into a one-on-one with me looks like, and plenty of good education. Okay, goodbye.
Yo, guys, look at the sunset. Dude doesn't trade live account? Who? Dude, look at how good this sunset is, guys. Holy. I'm in Vegas. Hopefully we get a better one tomorrow. I'm just kind of cloudy today. Yeah, it's a nice morning sunset. Dude, look at how good the mountains look with the sunset. It's like an inverse sunset, guys. We talk in terms of inverses here. So we have an IPG sunset today. Man, I'm gonna try to get like a B-roll clip of myself. Yo, guys, we actually might go for this data low. Holy, did I really just call the top? I guess it was a W short. Yeah, I mean, it might go for the data low, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna probably short to it. I don't really care about it too much, but I know eval are below. I don't know. I'm gonna wait for open, guys. I'm just gonna wait. You want to know some of my best trading advice? Like, they'll actually make you a ton of money. If you guys wait, if you guys go into the, like, trading day with a mindset of, okay, I'm not gonna trade, I'm not gonna trade, I'm not gonna trade, I'm not gonna trade, you're gonna see a setup where it's like, oh my gosh, like, it's gonna just pop out and you're gonna have to trade it. But you have to go into the mindset of you're not gonna trade, and then it'll just come to you. I'm telling you, that is the best mindset in trading. So. Oh my god, dude, I might just say, I just might not answer questions and might just trade myself because I can make so much money by myself and not answer your guys' questions, to be honest. He's on a demo account? Who's on a demo account? Me? Here, I'll go on a demo account right now if you want. We'll go on a demo account. Now you can leave my stream. Goodbye. Why am I paper trading? Dude, I don't know. The allegations are catching up. All right, so for everyone new joining, what do I want to see? I don't know. I'm gonna kind of wait for open and see what open tells me. It's just kind of one of those days where, like, I'm not, I'm just kind of waiting. I liked how the hourly closed way up here, but we also didn't close above the 4-hour yet. So we'll just kind of wait here, I think. I don't like IFG off 15-minute BPR. I mean, yeah, if we inverse this 15-minute, which is probably not going to happen, I would like that for long. We'll see, we'll see. Should I purchase Tory Trades mentorship? No, dude. Where did I look to target for longs? Like 4-hour equal highs. Where did I play? So for NFP, I think I put my buy and sell stops like probably 15 to 20 points above and below where price was at the time. It was about 15 points away. Did I visit one country in South America? No, not yet. Yeah, today's conflicting right now. So we'll see if we can get like a good liquidity sweep or manipulation leg or something at open. We'll see, we'll see. What's my thoughts on order flow? Order flow is good for like confirmation. If you truly understand ICG though, you will not need order flow. I mean, I've used order flow for 4 or 5 years in all different ways, and the only time I ever like using order flow is on choppy ass days where no buy side or sell side is getting ran. But that's really the only days I like using it. Can I explain why everyone uses 50k counts instead of 150ks? Why does everyone use 50k counts instead of 150ks? Someone tell me. Not the price. It has nothing to do with price. Yeah, because the drawdown slash profit ratio is better. 150k, it's like a 2 to 1. 50k, it's like a 1.2 or 1.3 to 1. So, like, 50k is the easiest. 25k is actually harder, believe it or not. Cedric, not yet. I just want to see what happens at open, guys. Like, if you're gonna stack accounts, stack 50ks. A 50k eval at full port lemon, but a funded I'll risk like $200 a trade on, and then I won't size up until I have like $1,000 or more buffer. Why don't I care about the data low? It's technically it's protected, so I'm not super excited about it. Versus some data lows I like way more. Why am I bullish? Well, I'm gonna take this off now because we don't have the hourly's like, I don't know. We'll see. All my conditions are gonna be based off this. It's technically protected because it's a low with a giant wick that's swept this low inside of a fair rally gap to the left. So it's just high resistant and it's just gonna be hard to hit that. We'll see. When am I gonna put reliable on Retta? Maybe when he comes to Florida. No contract rollovers. It's funny, there's like a really textbook 30-second long here, guys.
Guys, I'll take Retta when Dodgy has a beard.
Retta. Yo, what's up, Reliable? You're Reliable, what's up?
I was saying, I'll hop on Retta when you drink a beer.
Alright, that's not happening. Dude, beer tastes horrible. Bro, beer tastes horrible, dude. Should we ignore MNQ data since it's lower than NQ? Yeah, just trust NQ data lows. Why do you not talk about footprints? I don't really use them anymore. I don't need them. So, dude, if you guys are bearish and wanna maybe pass an eval account, I would full port short it open. Not financial advice. Because we could just dump to the data low, dude. Definitely an eval play, not a live account play, not even close. Come to Sarasota to take me in a boat if I'm ever there to spam Instagram DMs. You're confused. I was bullish. Well, I was bullish too, but we got market open in 2 minutes, and does this look bullish anymore? Does this look bullish anymore? Yes or no? No, it just doesn't look bullish. So I'm just reacting to what I see in price. It just doesn't look bullish here anymore. Yes, it's about the smack below this. Guys, this bullish bias might be cooked. Yeah, if you're not profitable yet, just try to take the best of the best setups. Don't do any of the eval crap I say. Like, this is not... I would not be... If you're, like, trying to take a quality trade here, should you really be in any trades right now or be looking for any trades? Yes or no? Yeah, at this point, no. Again, I'll give you some of my reasons, but one of my reasons is, one, we're too low, we're in discount. So if you are shorting here, it's going to be riskier. Two, we're in a 15-minute fair value gap here, so we could just bounce. Like, it's just, I don't know. Oh, three, we have open right now, so. So here's open. Again, I'm not in any active positions here, guys. I'm just gonna watch and see what happens. No, I have the data low marked right. Oh wait, you spoke. I'm Ayusha. I blew my tenacity count because of air induced. Yeah, right, buddy. Yeah, right. No, I'm just kidding. That's true, Rip. One minute long now. So why do I not like the long here either, guys? Why would I not take it this long? Yeah, because we're just so close to this out of low where even if I do long this, I just know it's going to be a break-even trade. Versus yesterday, there was no liquidity below. So by me longing this, yeah, I guess you could have hit maybe TP there, but we're just too close to the data low for me to like really try that long. Because I already know it's going to be a break-even trade, and I don't really want to take a break-even trade right now. I'm trying to take a full TP trade, so don't really love it. Did anyone else not take that because he knew it would probably be an instant break-even? I mean, and you're just running into all these gaps. Like, I don't know. It just... That definitely takes skill to, like, know, but... We'll see, we'll see. Again, whenever you get this close to data lows, I'm very careful about longing. What will make me want to long again, maybe? If we get it. If we don't hit the data lows. Yeah, if we trade all the way back up here in versus BPR and then maybe get like a confirmation setup inside that BPR, then I would be okay longing because, again, I don't truly care about these data lows. I'm only going to mark them out when we're close, but they are currently protected. So if we trade back up here, get a 15-minute IPG, and maybe a confirmation from that, that's when I'd be like, okay, I'll long this. Something like this. right? But right now, we're kind of a little close to that lows for me to be like, trust it. And same with ES, right? ES, and you can see ES inversed every single gap here. So like longs here is scary, especially when looking at it from ES. So we'll see. Judah swing back up. I mean, I am bullish today, guys, still, because we are holding this hourly for rally gap. So we don't need to, again, we don't need to go down. I just marked the data lows because we were close. If we don't go down, I could care less. Wait, was that 1 minute at open? Was that a loss technically? Yeah, that was technically a loss, right? Yeah. Because it would have hit the swing low. So yeah, I mean, I didn't take it anyways, but... really good reaction here. We could be retracing to the 0.5. We could. Right now, this is a lot of momentum, so I feel like if we inverse this, we'll just go higher because I am bullish, but we'll see, we'll see. ES is still very weak. I usually don't look at ES, but the only reason I'm watching it is because this is a weekend we are close to data low. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, like, if we got a short here, that'd be better than a long, to be honest. No, ES didn't take data lows yet. You can see ES has data lows here, which are still in play because we did inverse this. But will I be mad if we don't hit the data lows, and will I still long anyways? If we get it, yes. Now, if the data lows weren't as protected, would I probably be more aggressive to just try to short to these if they weren't that protected down here? Yeah, if they didn't look like this, I'd be like, all right, guys, no longs, data lows, but they're pretty protected, so. Yeah, DC did long open. He just texted me. He just said, did you take that? I'm at the Encore. Why am I bullish? I'm bullish mainly because there's a hourly for every I get to left. So this is my condition. I call this my condition. Are these correlated at all, by the way, right now, guys? Are ES and NQ correlated at all? No, I did not mark the data low wrong, guys. The info got leaked early. Yeah, ES looks way more bearish here than NQ. Like, because if you short NQ here, you're shorting into an hourly inverse in here. So it would make more sense if you are going to short ES. ES looks way better for short. But I don't like the idea of shorting back into this. This 2-minute short looks pretty good on NQ. If you got a candle closure like this, you know, definitely looks decent. Again, I probably won't take it. I'd rather wait for a long, but definitely like a good candle. The thing about this is if I was going to short, I would short ES right now and not take NQ because we're in the higher time frame gap, so. I don't even want to have the RR. I don't want to have the RR tool on my screen if I'm not going to take the trade. I don't want to confuse anyone. Why not wait for the 3-minute? You would. You want to wait for every time frame here because there's a lot of conflicting things that could happen here, in my opinion. So wait for the 3 minute, wait for the 2 minute. Again, I always say this, like, I'm not a signal service, so I'm not going to take this one. But should you technically take this if you guys are bearish here? Would this be a good play if you're bearish? Yeah, if you're like really insanely bearish here, there's nothing wrong with this short here, guys. I'm just not like fully bearish. That's why I don't want to take it. I want to trust myself. So if we got like the 3 minute and the 2 minute, which we didn't even get the 2 minute, then yeah, I'd probably short if you're bearish. But I'm here to just teach you and guide you. Personally, I'm not that bearish. I don't trust this data low that much. So I'm gonna wait, and yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So now if we swept it out low, then I got an A+ long, then yeah, I take that. So I'm already not loving this price action. I don't really miss an eye. Let's see if anyone's in first place. Let's see if anyone passed me in the leaderboard. Let's go. I'm still in first. Dude, Wesley just lost what, 600 bucks? I think Wesley just lost 600 bucks. So you guys can tell these guys are trading, but I'm not trading shit until I see something I really like. If we inverse the 5 minute, am I gonna wait for 15 minute? Yeah, probably. I'm definitely a signal service. No, I'm not a signal service, man. How often do I stream on YouTube? Usually for like CPI and NFP days. Alright, waiting until I see a good any draw. I'll write this in the top. 30-second long. I don't like 30-second long here because the short does look better here because we are delaying out a 15-minute BPR. So if you're gonna take anything, take short here. If you're gonna take anything, and then maybe long from like, maybe long from here, maybe long from here. If we get a setup, we need a model, obviously. Again, I think it's a very good. I think this is a very good spot to remain patient in, guys. I don't want to jump into anything yet. Like, yes, the ES trendline does look good. I will give you that. This does look good. That's why I'm saying if you are going to short, I probably would be short on ES, but I don't really trade ES, so. Your problem is you always get manipulated. Okay, so then wait. If you're always getting manipulated, don't take a trade until you see that manipulation and then try to get in. Like, try to imagine a trade where, like, try to imagine it so you don't want to take a trade and then you see the manipulation and then you want to take the trade. Again, I'm just kind of waiting here. Type 1 if you think it's pretty smart to wait here. Yeah, I agree. I want to be like sure of something, you know? And it's Friday. We had a really good day yesterday. I want to be sure of something.
Nah, guys, don't wait. Full port your account. Take every setup you see. You'll definitely be profitable.
Dude, it's funny. Like, I'm watching the leaderboard right now on Tenacity. These guys are all trading. Oh, this guy just made 200 bucks. Yeah, I should just chop it. I'll just wait. Ugh. You have to go to my wap.com. There should be a channel in my Discord if you join saying get access. Or you click free trial or dungeon access and you just click that. For anyone new in my chat, what am I doing right now? What are all these zones that I have drawn out here? Like, why am I drawing these zones on the chart? Yeah, they're basically all my conditions. So I'm watching these to use as support and resistance, okay? Now, do we care if we wick above or below these, or do we want to see bodies respecting and closing above and below these? Yeah, we want to see the bodies kind of respect these, which so far they are. Yeah, SPA is not great. It's not that the PA is garbage right now. It's just that the PA is between a very heavy 15-minute BPR, which if you guys don't know, this is one of the strongest PD arrays in the entire market. And it's just in between this 3-minute. What's price going to do if we're in between two very key levels to the downside and upside? Yeah, it's going to consolidate between them until one probably what? Yeah, maybe until one breaks, right? But that has not happened yet. Right now I'm on the 3-minute time frame, but I kind of switch around. TGR went long. Yeah, I mean, listen, guys, even if a long worked here, I would not be happy about longing here. I'm going to be completely honest. Does any of this look like any type of winning trade I post on social media? Yeah, this just doesn't really look like anything I've taken. Like, we're in between the range. We're not like in an extremity of the range. Right? It just, I don't know. Oh, my mouse just died. What's my favorite IFVG A+ setup? It's ifvgsetups.com. If you guys want to see examples, so look, we're going to go to my ifvgsetups.com. Okay, well, this is IFVG. Okay. If you want to join my Discord, go to ifvg.com. Okay. But if you go to ifvgsetups.com, you can see an example of what like winning trades typically look like for me. And none of this looks very similar. So ifvgsetups.com and then ifvg.com to join my Discord. If you haven't got a payout yet, shouldn't you go with 25Ks? No, I still think 50Ks. Now, let me ask you guys a question. If you longed here and the long worked, would you be happy with longing here? Why or why not? Yeah, I would not be happy because there's like nothing here, dude. This is top. Let me see if I can find like something that would be a decent long. Let me plug in my mouse real quick. Yes, could be a good short here. I mean, we'll see. I have to plug in my mouse. This is so bad, dude. Dude, there's kind of a guy I want to call out right now, and it's pretty funny. It's not for a great reason, but it's like a guy on social media. Alright, looks like I might be mouseless right now. No, it's not you. Okay, so basically there's this guy on Twitter. I don't want to say his name. If you know him, you know him. Every single New York session, whether we have a trend day, whether we chop, no matter what we do, he's always like, I'm never trading on Q ever again. Who trades this shit? I need to find another hobby to do. Every single day, dude. It's so funny. No matter, it's not Diego. It's no matter what happens. He's very small, dude. Every day he's like, I'm trading Asia, and then he looks at Asia, and then Asia's trash. Like, I can't do this anymore. It's so funny. And like I met this guy in person, but yeah, maybe we'll just chop for now. We'll see. You'll see. Does watching me be patient help you guys? Hopefully. Hopefully this is helping you guys. No, it's not Char. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube, I'll do a giveaway to a random subscriber in the next 10 minutes because I don't know what else to do. We ain't get any trades, so maybe I'll do a giveaway. Yeah, I'm Goal. You know, Goal knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're just chop maxing here. By the way, I haven't called this out because I don't want to yet. But why am I not calling out this 1 minute short even though it looks pretty textbook on a piece of paper? Even though we got that and we manipulated, why am I not saying anything about that? Because it's in the middle of the range with technically 2 draws on liquidity. So, again, I'm just not calling anything out. Now, some of you are wondering, well, we have LRLR, Dodgy. Why would you not like that short? Because we're high resistant right now. I don't know, I want to see movement of something. I mean, yeah, it could be AMD. It's only 950, but we still got time. Also, yeah, the 2 minute never closed. Wait, the 2 minute? Yeah, same with the 2 minute, right? The 2 minutes, the gap that's holding price, not this 1 minute. The 1 minute is just like an internal gap. I call this gap right here an internal gap. Okay, this green. I call this the external gap. So we have the internal, external. During chop days, I want to wait for the external gap to break, not the internal gap. So I want to wait for the gap that's holding price to break. Type 1 if that makes sense. Yeah, I saw ICT predicted NFP. No, it actually wasn't rage bait, John. Yeah, if you guys saw the post with my parents, I was pretty pissed that day. Basically, I bought my parents' Corvette and it's in storage and it's a freaking supercar and they don't even drive it because they can't get this paperwork filled out for like 5 minutes. I was just not happy. I was like, what's the point of even having this at that point? I just watched all his videos, Wrath. So yeah, I was not happy that day. Imagine buying like your parents a Lambo and they just put it in a storage unit because they don't want to get plates for it or something. Like, it's just, I don't know. Again, still no trades for me, guys. Still being very patient here, right? If anyone new is in the stream, go type in ifeg.com if you want to join my Discord. I'm actually a professional trader, unlike a lot of these people. I will not take trades during conditions like this, but I will take trades during good conditions like yesterday. So I need to find my portable charger or something. I don't know where it is. You took the first short off open. Can you tell me why it failed? Why did the first short off open fail? Someone tell me. Yeah, because we're between two major PD arrays, right? We were between this one right here, this one right here, and then the 15-minute BPR here, which I'll draw out. Yeah, we just want one to break. I feel like we are leaning a little more short here because I feel like to the upside is high resistant. Well, this is low resistant, but I don't know for sure. But the more orders they build off the downside, the more short I'd be leaning probably. So Dodgy, I wait for every time frame when conditions are unclear and there's a big overnight move. I'm expecting bad price action. Should you wait for every time frame because you expect bad PA? Or would you wait to react to market if it's bad PA? I would probably wait to react to the market, but now that I've kind of seen what this is, if I were to take a trade, I would want every single time frame to close above or below. True or false? Because, Mako, we are still between the external gap and I just didn't trust it. Yeah, true. When I see this bad price action, I wait for every time frame to close at this point. So. Consolidation and chop and what I usually call bad PA is pretty similar. I mean, there's not really a difference. But sometimes we expect consolidation. Dude, you already know if you go on Twitter later, ICT probably shorted here, probably shorted there, probably longed here, probably long there. So. You guys know Fridays are my worst days, right? I mean, they're not like that bad, but they are my worst. So. Wait. Let's go to the competition dashboard. Is anyone blowing their accounts? Let's see. Not really. Yeah, not really. Wesley's kind of catching up. Wesley's making some money in this chart. Did Ayush actually, like, officially blow his account? Oh my god, bro. Ayush is literally in 35th place. Ayush is literally in the last place. He blew his account and he's last. That's crazy. Dude, Ayush is crashing out. Okay, this actually doesn't look bad. Let's see if we get a 2-minute close here. If we got a 2-minute close here, I would try this. I think this would be a decent eval play. Not a funded play, though. What playlist am I listening to? I'm listening to, it's called, like, Night Jazz. It has, like, a cat on it. But I like all these orders here, guys. I think we're going to run all these. Let's see if we get this close. If we get the close like this, I would take this on like an eval account or my fundeds personally, but we still have 1 minute and 32 seconds, so. Alright, it's probably not going to be a valid entry anyways. I guess you could short ES here though too. You could short ES. Go break even. Because heck, we inverse a giant hourly gap in the higher time frame. That's why. So we should go for the data lows here, guys. You can kind of see that build up finally broke. So we should go for the data lows here. As much as I'd love to take a chase short mini on the tenacity comp right now, I'm probably just gonna stay out. I wanna be in an extremity of the range to take something here. So that means like I wanna be at the data low or be at the data high or something. Yeah, maybe we'll get like a 10 AM reversal from the data low. Yeah, I'm just waiting, dude. I'm waiting. I'm not doing anything here. We did close below the NQ gap that was initially holding us. So, you know, I could see this working, but it's still not high confident enough for me to take a play here and discount. I'm not taking a play this short. I'm not taking a short that low. If anything, it would have had to been that close. So. But you kind of see how I could predict that dump there based off the orders that were being built up. Right? That's why I said waiting until I see a good buildup of any drawn liquidity. Right? Saw the orders and we kind of knew we were going to get that dump at that point. Type 1 if that makes sense. How I'm looking for those orders to be stacked up. And then I can kind of be like, okay, right, we're going to dump through those. That's just tape reading. That's not even me entering. That's just me tape reading. So. Again, I'm always counting the orders on both sides. Like, where are the most orders resting? What are we building up? Are we engineering liquidity? And, like, right now, I still think we keep going down because we have all this liquidity here in ES2s. But, again, I'm not going to take an entry because we're just on discount. So, patient. How do I count orders? So, basically what I do is this. How many orders are to the upside here, basically? That's engineered. Let's count them out. I would say about 1. This is the only engineered liquidity with this. Now, how many orders were to the downside there? 1, 2, 3, along with this 4th low, which is why it was engineered. So, technically 4v2. Okay, so there's 4 orders up here. Or 4 highs and low, or 4 highs up there with stop losses, and then there's 2 up here, and then there's 4 right here. What's the bigger number? 4. Okay, so that wins. So that 2 is less likely to hit at that point. Okay, but we built up all those orders, and I was like, okay, like yeah, that's more bearish now. That's why I said, like, okay, I'm probably leaning short here with all these orders build up. Engineered liquidity is basically when we get, like, a bunch of stacked up lows in, like, a form of some sort of trend line or something. So. Can I explain why the 3-minute failed? The 3-minute to downside? Just because we're between 2 conditions. The conditions we were between was this one right here and then this one right here. The 15-minute BPR and this 3-minute. And during bad conditions, I like to wait for this to break or this to break for me to find direction. So. What about the 15-minute inverse? It's bearish, but still bad conditions, man. I don't want to touch this. Like we had such a good day yesterday. Like I'm telling you, patience will pay you today. All right, just be patient. Why is it bad conditions? I'm not really sure. I will say, for those of you who've been on my stream for a while, what usually happens if the day before NFP is really good? We've seen this before. Yeah, it just means NFP will chop. Because the day before NFP isn't supposed to be good. But if it is, sometimes the opposite happens the next day. How many times do I watch it bounce back and forth before I think it's bad PA? Like, if it's bouncing between the seams by like 5, 6 times, like, that's where I'm like, okay, it sucks. Alright, we should run this data low, guys. Yeah, PM could be decent today. We'll see. I want to see what happens when we run this data low. So the 829 is a data low because the data was leaked, and in live time, this candle was pretty fast. So, internal gap is the gaps inside the range, Subo. So, like, this would be an internal gap, and then this would be an external gap, the gap that closed. Or the gap that's, like, outside the range or holding price. So. Do I think this OB setup is good? No, I want to short this low, dude. ES is still holding the trend line. Like, what sponsored gaps? Oh, just sponsored gaps are like bullshit made up by these new IPT traders. Say mitigated or unmitigated, not sponsored. You took yesterday's trade and lost today in the short. Are you cooked? Nah, dude, you're not cooked. How did I know it was gonna be bad conditions? I didn't know. I just kind of watched and reacted to the price, and just I haven't been seeing anything I like. So. All right, we're gonna pick a random subscriber to win a funded here, because it's just the terms. Okay, let's see. If your name is Dinesh Onrado 314, DM me on Instagram with proof that that's your YouTube. Maybe I'll pick someone else later too, but not right now. Alright, let's see. We should hit this data low here, guys. Really wish I could charge my mouse here, but I can't. Dude, it's just a term. Sponsored and unsponsored is not what ICT teaches. I go by what ICT taught me. It's mitigated and unmitigated. When to look for buildup of orders and when to take... It's like saying Judas swing. It's like saying Patty swing instead of Judas swing. When to look for buildup of orders and when to just take the trade without prior consolidation. Most of my trades... Yo, what's up, Tone? Most of my trades will have higher time frame consolidation in some sense. So I'm usually waiting for that, but... So, there's the data low. Did we ever get a valid entry to it? Not really, unless you maybe shorted the gap here, which you could have done maybe, but... How'd I know the news was leaked early? Because we watched in a live time. You guys saw the news was leaked early. You saw what this looked like, right? In live time? If you're watching NFP, like you could just tell it was news. I don't know, Tempest. I don't know why I failed. Just conditions and it being Friday. I didn't take a trade yet today because nothing's textbook to me. Tanya got cooked on longs. Rip. Yeah, Tanya's actually been doing good, but. Hey man, if you're long with data lows below when we get really close, I don't know what to tell you. It doesn't matter if MNQ sweeps below. I only care about NQ. ICT ticked the leaked NFP wick. That's crazy. Yeah, MNQ doesn't need to sweep the low, guys. Any probable long setup here? No, not yet. I would like this 30-second, but what's wrong with this 30-second? Something pretty wrong with this 30-second. Let's see if someone gets it. Yeah, ES left the data low, and it's now relatively close. I'm not long unless it gets hit, guys. So, this 30-second, we actually want to see this fail for maybe a potential short. I bet you if this failed, this will work for maybe 1 hour. Because I still want ES to go for this. So I can trade off the NQ sweep? Yeah, you can. Trade an MNQ, but do your analysis based off NQ. Why does ES have to hit it? Because ES should move the same, and if ES is leaving a data low like this, statistically, it's just not good. Does MNQ not hitting the data low affect anything? No. Do SMTs matter for data wicks? No. So guys, I want you to tape read this to me. If we fail and this closes below, I think this is gonna work for a short. So there would be the entry. So let's watch, see what happens. Again, I have no position here, just tape reading. Okay. But we'll just watch, see what happens, and maybe it'll bring yes to data lows. We'll see. Maybe not. Yeah, I just got wrecked. So ideally, that's what I wanted to see. But this just confirms what? This just confirms what? That we've already known. Yeah, it just confirms it's really just bad conditions. That's why I'm not entering anything. But it was, you know, it's fun to tape read some of this stuff sometimes. I mean, I guess we didn't close back above. This could still work, but if you didn't take that resweep short, you're a donut. If you took a trade today, honestly, you're a donut. If you didn't take a trade, good job, guys. I think the best trade of the day was no trade today. You're probably to go on Twitter and see a lot of people losing. Guaranteed. So. ICT says don't trade NFP. Okay, this should probably work now. Yeah, ICT says don't trade NFP for beginners. Alright, ES should smack the data lows here, which should bring NQ down. I didn't like longs because we were inside of a 15-minute BPR, Marco. I'm going to make a video on the 3-minute short and why it was so bad. Dude, this is crazy. How is ES not hitting this? All right, so if for a tape read, right, this is where I'd go break even and NQ because ES just hit the data wick. But it's just really bad conditions. Dodgy, I saw more streaming and TikTok and crashed out after losing 3 trades in a row. Damn. How many people were watching another streamer and they kept taking L's? Just out of curiosity. Anyone? What's my opinion? Romeo is smart. Romeo does know what he's talking about. Was anyone else? Was any other streamers taking L's? Ronan took the 3-minute. So Ronan took, let's see. So Ronan took this right here. Damn. Now, I'm going to make a video on this. Okay? But listen. Like, what I said this morning was not hindsight. Okay? And I know this might seem like hindsight now, but it's not. Alright? What time did I write this message? Waiting until I see a good buildup of any drawn liquidity / stop losses. Do you remember when I wrote this message, guys? I think I wrote it like at open, maybe. It was before I saw the seller law, right? Yeah, now we're dumping finally. So maybe if we got along here, I take that. Let's see. Why do you think I wanted to see a build up of stop losses and didn't want to take that 3-minute short? And I'm going to post about this on Instagram. Who remembers when I've taught this before? I've taught this before. Probably 1 or 2 times. Does everyone remember when I taught this before? Remember I said it forever in between 2 gaps? You don't just short the internal... you have to wait for the build up and then you go for the downside. I've literally taught this before and I'll teach it again. So, I'll do a video on it, but I've taught that before, guys, if you've watched any of my stuff. I wish my mouse worked, dude. James. Where the hell? I want to draw this out for you guys because this is a really good educational lesson. Like, this is like an actual gem. Dude, I don't understand how I lost my portable charger. I literally can't plug my mouse. Oh, there we go. Now it works. Okay, ready, watch. Ready? Are you listening? Okay, if I post on Instagram, can you guys promise to like this too, even though you're already going to see it? Okay, ready? As long as you can promise me you like it on Instagram too, if you have Instagram. Okay. If we get an impulse leg, whatever, and there's now 2 very obvious PD arrays, such as here and here, and both are somehow holding up, like we see both respect price and we still are not taking any trades. These are considered our external gaps. And every single time we're in a situation like this, right here, I will not take that continuation short like that. I will not take this unless there's like London equal lows or something, like something dead obvious, but there wasn't really today. And I will not take the continuation long. So I'll not take something like this. Okay? Only in this scenario. The only thing I will wait for is a build up, a build up, a build up, and then maybe take that. Type 1 if that makes sense. Okay, that's what I wait for. Now, there is a 2 and 3 minute long. Okay, this does look really good. About to get a CISD. Let's see, are we delivering off anything? So yeah, we're delivering off something. So yeah, it looks good. Now, am I gonna take this trade? Do you guys think I'm gonna take this? So I'm not gonna take this. For psychology purposes, I'm ending my week green, bro. I don't want. If I lost, listen. If you took a trade right now and you lost in this, would you probably be pretty mad? After all this, I would be pissed. So for my own psychology, I'll just watch it. Right. Looks good though. The one thing I don't like is you're longing back into a 15-minute V-shape to the downside too. See this? I don't trust it. Do you guys, does that make sense how you're longing back into a 15-minute V shape to the downside? Yeah, I don't like the look of this. And did we leave it? And like we didn't even sweep this low. We kind of left relative equal lows. Like it just, I don't know. I feel like it's more than psychological and why I don't want to take it. But hey, man, if it works, it works. Why not size down and take it? I'm in Vegas, bro. I'm gonna go enjoy my weekend. I don't want to end on a loss. So, I don't want to like sway your guys' opinion though. Like if you like it, take it. I'll probably post about it. If this wins or loses, I'll probably post about it on Instagram. Right? Whatever happens, I'll probably post about it anyways. But I want to enjoy my weekend. I had to sit through this whole price action and just not trade, so I don't want to take a trade now. Yeah, I'll post about this for sure if it hits or doesn't hit. I'm just, again, psychologically just I want to end on a good note. Remember, guys, I'm up 245 bucks on this. We're green in this little competition here. Let's see. We're green in the competition. We're in first place. Ayush is at. Wait. Ayush is back. Wait. Ayush is in second again. Wait. What is going on? That's crazy. Ayush is back. He bought another account, but. So yeah, let's see if TP hits here. It should. Dude, Ayush probably just full ported low. So again, good trade. You know, it definitely was like an A setup for sure. But now, am I really mad I didn't take that? Am I really pissed off I didn't take that? No, I literally hit a 5-hour trade yesterday, guys. This is still like a record week for me, so I'm chilling, bro. But yeah, if you guys took that, right, and you aren't a signal bot, okay, congrats. You guys are professional traders, and you guys are probably gonna make it eventually. So nice job if you took it. If you didn't take it, you know, maybe you had a reason, but you know, so I don't want to be a signal service. I want you guys to make your own decisions. So, you know, maybe if I wasn't in Vegas right now and I was gonna have a boring weekend, you know, I maybe would have taken it. But I want to enjoy my weekend. I want to end the week good for me, you know. So. How long did it take for me to get my first ever payout? Like I think after like 3 counts, because I was already profitable before prop runs. So now, did me calling out along from here, way before, help you guys like be like, okay, I agree. You know, if we go hit this, you know, we got a long, I'll take that. Did that like guide kind of help you guys? Hopefully, remember I had the long from here written on my screen for 50 million hours. Do you see why the educational guideline is going to be better for making you guys your own good trader at the end of the day? Instead of me just telling you what to do. Right? Because if you took that on your own, I bet you feel really good, right? So. But that was the only in first play I would have taken today if I were to take anything. Okay? I would not have taken anything else. And if that lost, I probably would have posted about it too. So. The FG small, yeah, but it was still pretty good. Like, it was still a good close, I think. Yeah, nice. Did my indicator alert it? Probably did, right? Yeah, indicator alerted it. B plus. Do I trade the mech model? No, the mech model is my model. I just don't rename it. Any IFG model is my model. I taught everyone. Check the leaderboard now. Ayush is in first. I'm not even worried, bro. Ayush is gonna revenge trade again at some point. I'm not worried anymore. I used to be worried. But I ain't worried about you anymore, Ayush. You're like, you just blew your account, bro. You're not gonna last for long. I already know it. Alright, yo, guys, type 1 if you took this long or you understood the educational process behind that long. Yes, sir. What about YouTube? Why was this the only good long of the day? As long as you understand that, good job. My YouTube's so laggy. Ayush is now back in first, guys, but it's okay because he's probably gonna blow his account anyways. Let's go. Bang. Now, I 100%, like, if that setup lost, I would have posted that and said this is a great loss. So, just be happy if you took that, because even if that lost, I would have definitely accepted that loss. Are we going to buy side now? When will we know that we might be going to buy side? What will we need to see, guys? Why is it not A+? Because we kind of left relative equal lows. Yeah, because we need to break the BPR or even this. Like, we need to break something here. Do I think hopping off here is a good call? Yeah, I logged out of my live account. I've taken no other trades on any account that I've even had today. Yeah, definitely a good idea to hop off, man. What percentage of the time does a liquidity sweep end up a reversal? Like 50-50? Wait, Dodgy, what about the LRR to the downside? I mean, I get what you're saying. It's like not bad, but it's not perfect. That's why I didn't really care too much about it, so. TP2 for my indicators up there, by the way, for anyone wondering. Yeah, BAMTech, that would be good. I mean, listen, man. Like, I had a record week, guys. We had a great day yesterday. I got a payout yesterday. I'm good, dude. Like, you guys want me to give you a real talk right now? When you go on social media, when you follow all these other traders, everyone's in their own different situation. Some people are on vacation. Some people got their payout and they don't want to trade the next day. Some people are trying to trade because they've been not doing well, or maybe they haven't taken any trades. Maybe they didn't take a trade yesterday, so they're more inclined to take a trade today. All of that is going to factor in their decision to take a trade or not. If I didn't have a great last 3 days, I probably would have taken that. But it's Friday, I'm at Vegas, you know. Do I know if I was maybe in a different environment, if I would have taken that? Not really. I just, right now, it's just, I want to enjoy my weekend, you know? And I don't know if you guys follow Huddy trades, but Huddy is like he'll miss trades sometimes because like he's like, oh, like I think he was like on vacation or something and he missed a great trade, but it doesn't matter because when he comes back he'll take a trade, right? Like, you guys gotta understand, when you're going on social media, every single person's their own circumstance. What really matters at the end of the day? What matters at the end of the day, guys? Managing your risk, following your rules, but also trading when you are what? It starts with a C. When do you want to trade? When you're what? Starts with a C. When you're calm, or when you're confident, or when you're maybe another CO word. You know, composed, another C word. Collected, yeah. Another word. CEO. I don't want to. If I give away the next letter, you'll get it. Yeah, when you're comfortable. Exactly. You want to trade when you're really comfortable, right? You're comfortable. What does being comfortable mean psychology-wise when you're in a trade? What outside factors can make you comfortable or uncomfortable? There's a lot. Your sleep. Yep, that's one. Let's keep listening a bunch. The place you're at. Having eaten breakfast. Maybe some days maybe you eat breakfast every day, then there's a day where you don't eat it. If you're stressed. Being in prison, sure, yeah. I'm not sure how you're trained for prison. Maybe you're at work and your boss just yelled at you or something. Maybe you just went through a breakup. Maybe you just went with your girl. Like, I don't know what your situation is. So as long as you're comfortable in terms of all those outside things in your life, that's all that, you know, rushed. Yeah, exactly. Maybe you have an appointment you need to make. So. Yeah, I'm not sure where the prison one came from, but. All right, I'm probably gonna end the stream here, guys. Again, I appreciate you guys coming. Hopefully, I saved you guys from blowing accounts during this chop, and maybe you caught the long, or maybe you took no trades. Okay. Basically, scaling in the trade. I don't scale in the trades much, but hey, I appreciate you guys all coming on. I'm gonna make a couple Instagram education recaps, and yeah, I just had a really good week, so I'm really happy to end it here. I'm super satisfied with all my decisions today. I followed my rules, and yeah. So I will see you all later.